All you need to do is come onto the outer edge of your right hip and foot here as if you're going to do side plank. And you take your top foot and really turn the knee and foot out behind you significantly. Now, if you know that you're tighter in back bends, if you can put a block. I'm going to show you from the other end. You can put a block underneath your foot like so, okay? So you're something like this. This will make it a little bit easier in your hip flexors. But the block, make sure it's not going to slide, okay? So really on a sticky surface like your yoga mat. But you need your feet fairly wide in order to access the greatest strength in your hips and range of motion. So one thing I'm not doing is I'm not sitting like this, which would punch the shoulder forward and it would close off the pelvis. I'm actually opening, both knees are wide, and you see I'm open in the front of the chest. Step 1, shoulder to the ear. Step 2, shoulder back. 3, externally rotate. Step 1, shoulder to the ear. Step 2, shoulder back. 3, externally rotate. Get that. And then you see with this nice little broad stance, then I can lean my hips into my feet, press down, and rise up. Top hand behind the head. So I'm going to instruct you through that. You can pause for a second, okay? So I just wanted to show you that the feet wide really helps. If the feet are narrow and weight is in the shoulder, it's going to look like this. Too much weight in the shoulder here. So I keep my knees bent. I get the shoulder action. 1, 2, 3, and then I move this way. You see that? This way. Then I rise up. Use your hips. Let's do it together. Ready? Step 1, shoulder to the ear. Step 2, shoulder blade retracts. Step 3, externally rotate the arm. So turn the bicep out, heart open. Now, move your weight to your feet, then press into your feet to rise. Open your belly. Optional, take your top hand behind your head, press your head back. Let's do one more breath. Bend your knees, move your butt to the ground. First thing that lands is your butt. All right, switch sides. Okay, maybe I'll show you on a slight diagonal so you can see the leg side of things. Okay, so this is one straight line. Step 1, together, let's go shoulder to the ear. Step 2, shoulder blade retracts onto the spine. Step 3, externally rotate until you feel your heart lifts. Press the heart to the sky by moving your weight into your feet and then using your feet to rise up. Optional, hand behind the head. Bend the knees, come on down.